Expect light to moderate snowfall to continue as we go throughout the afternoon to the evening hours before waning off going into Sunday morning. Overall, we are expecting between 4 to 8 inches of snow across much of northeastern Kansas, which will create hazardous road conditions, slick spots especially, with maybe even some ice on the roads at times. So make sure to go slow and stay safe if you are traveling at all over the next couple days. Additionally, we are expecting dangerous wind chill values between negative 15 degrees and negative 20 degrees over the next couple days. So you'll need to stay warm by layering up and really spending less time outdoors, as the more time you spend outdoors, the more danger to frostbite